Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today in this video of day number 14 in DAX functions, we are going to see other logical function. Previously we have discussed different types of DAX functions in Power BI. In that we have already completed date and time functions and informative functions. In this set of series we are discussing logical functions in which we have already covered if function and function and how to incorporate both if and function together, not and if not function together. Today we are going to see if and if or function, how to use it, how to integrate it. If you have missed to watch previous set of videos, we have given the playlist link in the description box. Please do watch it. And if you are watching the channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the videos notified. Let's jump into the today's video, which is or and if or condition. So here in our data set of output, you can see we have dealt with and, if and, not, if not, everything. So today we are going to see or condition. So we should understand what is the difference between and or condition. So and means you can see both the conditions should satisfy, then only it will give the value as true. But here what I am going to do is, again I am going to get east as true, whichever the region is east, it should get as true. If not, it should get false. So what I'm going to do is creating a new column of or, which is equal to or. Press the tab and you can see the values over here. Returns true if any arguments are true and returns false if all the arguments are false. If it is false, then it will give me the false value. Okay, so what I'm going to do, my only aim is I need to get the east value is true. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type region is equal to central, comma, region is equal to west. So which means if both are satisfied, I am getting true, or any one is satisfied, I am getting false, right? So my condition is if either it should satisfy the condition of which is equal to central and it should satisfy the condition of west, or it should satisfy the condition of west. So let's see what we are going to get the result. We got false for wherever the value is east, right? See, wherever the region is east, we got the value as false, which means ideally if it is region is central and or if central is west, then it's giving the true value. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate the or function with the if condition, which is the second set of our video. Just create a new column, if space or, which is equal to if, again enter or. Again I'm going to give the same condition, which is region should not be equal to, so I'm just giving the vice versa condition. Let's see what will happen. Or else I'm just giving it as is equal to west, then region is equal to central, central. If this condition matches, give me the value as nothing happens, or else if it is false, then give me it as sunrise. So ideally our target is wherever the region is east, we should get the sunrise value. If it is not, then nothing should be coming as an output. So ideally our match happens. So sunrise, wherever we got the value of east, sun rises here. It is happened. For nothing, which means it will be for both the region of central and west. So this is how we are using if and or condition all together to get the desired result. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt, please do post your queries in the comment box. We'll try to reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Jai Hind.